Welcome to Affiliate Tips Membervio Review. Here's what I will cover. Overview of Membervio. What is Membervio? Who's Membervio's product creator? What's included inside Membervio? In the video, we will go through demo video, features and benefits, pricing and upsells, funnels, bonuses. Who is Membervio for? Conclusion. Finally, frequently asked questions. So what is Membervio all about? Membervio is an all-in-one cloud-based platform that lets you easily launch a membership website that showcases your knowledge and expertise, increases engagement, signs up paying members, and gets recurring payment with zero hassles and no tech skills required. Have you ever wished that there was a method for you to actually profit from your knowledge? I mean, find a means to commercialize what's in your head, from things you've learned and lived? You'd presumably also want to make certain that no one could steal your expertise and profit from your efforts. You have, of course. That is what everyone wants. Most individuals try a variety of methods to create traffic online and fail to attract these pre-qualified consumers to their pages for two main reasons: they do not connect with their visitors before they click through, and they spend too much time developing their content from scratch. After all, relationships are what generate the most buyer traffic, right? The more your customers know, like, and trust you, the more probable it is that they will purchase from you. The issue is how to find that type of buyer, while still having time to perform the other things your business requires to survive. This problem, however, will be resolved soon. Welcome to Membervio. The product launcher takes their clients' success extremely seriously, thus they spend a lot of time providing personal assistance and coaching in the included webinar and Facebook group. Let's start with Neil Napier's profile as a Membervio product launcher, and then move on to product details. Who is the product launcher, or vendor of Membervio? Neil Napier is one of the vendor, with Dragan Plushkovsky. Neil Napier is a famous online marketer and software developer, with 100,000 customers actively using and benefiting from their products. He has been doing online marketing for many years. Membervio is an all-in-one cloud-based platform that lets you easily launch a membership website that showcases your knowledge and expertise, increases engagement, signs up paying members, and gets recurring payment with zero hassles and no tech skills required. Peter used Membervio to build the magazine for market gardeners, providing paid subscribers with resources and information about growing and selling vegetables, herbs, flowers, and other farm products. David, a renowned expert in underwater photography, built his membership website so that he can offer online lessons to others who want to create fantastic images and how to use digital underwater cameras. What Membervio can do for you. Become authority in any niche. You can publish and sell e-learning courses online in any niche. Offer flexible plans and billing, payment options, coupon code, billing dates. Import and export your member list to a CSV file whenever you want, and then view it in Excel or Google Sheets. Secure your membership. Optional protection disables right mouse click. Seamless integration experience through PayPal, Stripe, Digistore24, ClickBank, JVZoo, Thrivecart, Warrior Plus, Pay Kickstart. Here are the 3 simple steps to sell courses to thousands of customers for never-ending profits. Step number 1, add a course. Simply get access and create the course of your choice to get started. Step number 2, customize and set the pricing. Customize the course to suit your target audience from within your powerful dashboard and name your price. Step number 3, publish and sell to earn unimaginable profits. Instantly share your ready-to-convert courses to begin making big bucks right here and right now. Now, let's watch the Membervio demo video presented by Neil.
In this demo, I want to give you an overview of how Membervio works. You can see here we have a whole bunch of products in our membership site. I'm going to show you one of them right here. Let us look at our Smart Academy product. And here are the modules that we have in our Smart Academy. Here's the introduction, the various modules, including some worksheets and checklists. We'll get to that a little bit later. I just want to give you an overview of what it looks like now. So as you come in, you will see the lessons right over here. So it starts with this section called Social Community Secrets, then an introduction about what the lesson is. You can see down on the left side, you have the ability to move from one section to the other just by clicking. Now we are in section 2 here. You can have many lessons under one section to make sure to cover your content exactly how you want it. As you can see in this module, there are lots of sections and lessons. And then we get to the end of the module. Here is a place for some feedback and then some tracking where our students can mark that they have finished the lesson. You can navigate with the menu on the left side. That is the basic interface of a finished product, a finished course. So this is the basic layout of what it will look like to your customers and your students. Now let us take a look at how we can actually create a course inside of Membervio from scratch. Let us hop onto Smart Product sections here. Let's click on a new product and we're going to create a membership product. Click on the next step. We are going to call our product Influencer Marketing. Then a brief description. We will add here, this is a training on being an influencer in marketing. Then we add our course image right here. Find our image and select it to add. So we're going to click here and navigate to our images, select it and upload. Now we can do some simple editing right over here. We can crop it or rotate it, get it looking the way we want it to, and just confirm our changes. And then our product support link, we can add the cancellation and refund policy as well. All the pieces that complete your sales process. You can also choose to be notified when your product is sold. We're going to go to our next step here. In this step, we're going to add pricing. What do we want to set our pricing for this product? You see, we have a variety of payment platform integrations. On this account, we have a bunch of them set up, and you can have all of them set up if you would like. Right here, we've got PayPal, Paddle, Stripe, and JVZoo, and you can have a few others as well. I'm going to make this particular course for free right now. Then after selecting the price of free, we're going to add the price variant by clicking over here. Your price variants will be listed here. You can also have a variety of different pricing models. We then set the name of our price, maybe let's say November sale, regular price. Ours is just free in this case. We'll add a description if needed, no charge. Then the thank you page that you want people to go to. We're going to send them to the default thank you page. Then we can limit who can actually purchase it or if anyone can. And then we're going to go to the next step. We can add actions here. More on that in just a little bit. We're going to go to the next step and now we can set up how we deliver this course. We want to send a welcome email and we can personalize it too. It includes by default their login information and a link to their course login page. All that is automated and ready for you. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Product. The product has been successfully created. Now we've got the framework to put our product in, that is, upload our course into. And here it is, Influencer Marketing. Let's go ahead and edit that. So we're going to click over here. Of course, we do not have any modules just as yet because we just created the skeleton of this course. Click on Create a new module. Here's the image we uploaded earlier. We're going to call our new module Introduction because it is the first lesson, first module. And a new description as well, Introducing Influencer Marketing. So let's go ahead and create a new module. Now our module has been created. We can go ahead and add a new lesson. What's the lesson name? Let's call it Intro Video. Click on Create Lesson. Now you can see the lesson we just created and we're going to edit that as well. And this is where we add our content. Just click on video. I've got my YouTube embed code. I'm just going to go ahead and paste that into the embed section right over here. Hit save and now it's been embedded. There is my introduction. I'm going to save my content. It has been successfully created. So here I can preview my content as well. I can then go back and edit that or delete that if I changed my mind. From here, I can hop back to my product overview and I can see my product right here. Right now, it's in draft mode, so I'm going to go ahead and publish that. And I'm also going to publish my lesson. You see below, the lesson has been successfully updated. At this point, I can click to preview the product that I have just created. And you can see here's my product. I can start the lesson, of course, but there's only one lesson in here right now. Here's the intro video that I have created. It is that simple to add a course to Membervio. Now let me show you some of the advanced features that I touched upon earlier. First thing we're going to do is to add a worksheet. So we're going to go into our influencer marketing course. We already have our content in here, and now we're going to go up here to add a worksheet. Just click on add a worksheet, then enter the worksheet name and what kind of questions you want. We can choose from 3 different types: an open question, multiple choice, and fill in the blank. Here we're going to go with multiple choice, and it's added to the worksheet. Then we add our question, then each of the 3 options that we're going to pick in this case. Publish it by turning off the draft mode, save it, and just have a look at it. When we preview our product, we just start the lesson, and right there is our quick checkup worksheet. That's how you create a worksheet in Membervio. You can add files here as well. Just click on add files, then you can drag and drop or browse to upload a file. You can put images, zip files, PDFs, even PowerPoint presentations, and make them easily available to your students inside your course. If you go into settings, you will see that you have a few options. Now we skipped over actions earlier. So actions bring the power of automation to your membership site, making it much easier to grow your business. For example, you can say if the customer purchases this course, then you do this. For example, you can say if the customer purchases this course, and you can select which price variant you want. You can select the people who purchase the free version, the full version, the basic version, whatever you want to do. We only have a free one for now, so we're going to pick that. Then you can tell Membervio to do something with the automation. So we can add them to an autoresponder, we can add them to a webinar event, we can even give them access to other products, add or remove tags. All these automations that you set up right here in Membervio will make your site run much smoother. Here's how we can manage the orders for various products that we own. You can do that from this page. We can also create coupons. Here's a quick overview of that process. Just click add new coupon, enter the coupon code, and we're going to call this one demo. We decide, do we want to set it to a percentage or a fixed price? I'm going to set it to say 10% off. Then we select which products it will work on. And there's some other options here too. We can set when it starts, when it ends, and how many times it can be used. So the coupons give you a lot of flexibility with your pricing. Say if you want to run a special promotion for a week or just to certain customers, you can create a wide variety of coupons. Now back in our complete membership site, Smart Academy Training, you can see how all the modules and all other content have been added. You just click to access. Now I want to show you how we protect your content as well. Say someone wants to grab the text right over here. Maybe you've got a whole lot of text of your personal content. If someone wanted to grab it and claim it as their own, they would just have to highlight it, right click, and then select copy. But you can't right click on this page. I'm right clicking on it right now, nothing. Now I'm pressing Ctrl C, nothing, and it will not let me. You can see that we protect your information. It is one of our security features that gives you total and final control over your content. This also works on images. If you try and right click, nothing happens. This is one of the many ways in which we protect your data. So that is an overview of how Membervio works and some of the more advanced features that you can use for your business. There's a whole lot more inside, and of course, we will have plenty of training for you on all the features as well.
Now, let's look at the sale funnel. Front-end Membervio Basic is $67. Front-end Elite is $77. Membervio Basic for $67, you'll get 1 site, 5 products, integrations, 1,000 customers, 1 theme, built-in SMTP for transactional emails, member import, export, detailed reporting, no % transaction fees. Membervio Elite for $77, come with 1 site, 25 products, integrations, 5,000 customers, 10 theme, built-in SMTP for transactional emails, member import, export, detailed reporting, no % transaction fees. Auto 1 Membervio Unlimited price at $97 per year or $197 one-time payment. Come with 5 sites, unlimited customers, unlimited themes, unlimited products, additional security, site cloning export feature, no transaction fees, 24/7 support. Auto 2 Membervio Insiders Club for $97 per year. Come with email marketing with all major autoresponders and email gateways, drag and drop email template builder and rich text editor for email templates, SMS marketing along with SMS gateways integration, agency. Auto 3 Funnelvio Membervio edition for $77 one time. Come with 5 sites, 100,000 visitors per month, unlimited funnels, unlimited pages, free page importer for 12 months. Auto 4 Vidal Membervio edition $97 one time, come with video creation, hosting, management, get full agency access, high-speed hosting for up to 200 videos, import videos from YouTube, Vimeo, no API needed. Screencast video recording, with screen, audio, and camera recording simultaneously, picture-in-picture, PIP, recording mode, webcam video recording, 300 GB storage space, 500 GB bandwidth, 30 video playlists, 30 video channels, creating and editing time codes, add video subtitles, drag and drop video upload, resumable video upload, animated progress bar, playback speed control, SEO optimized video and page, advanced video hosting and marketing solution, no ads on video, embed code constructor, embed video on any websites, stores, or pages. Capture audience attention and boost engagements, get viral traffic from 9 top platforms, add call to action to videos, monetize channel with video ads and earn per view, no selling, 7 theme colors, enable, and disable video download, set live video premiere countdown timer, ultra-fast virtual reality 360 degrees video player, advanced video access settings, advanced playlist access settings, advanced video analytics, advanced domain embed control, demographic control. Vendor bonus which will be delivered in members area would be at least 2 of the following items. Social source, software to create your own social images. Logo source, app to create your own logos. Your brand or logo creates a first and lasting impression on your clients and customers. Product Creation Bootcamp, in this training, you'll see how Neil uses his best strategies for creating an info product in less than 4 hours. Membership Site Blueprint, learn exactly how Neil created a compelling PLR membership offer. If you purchased from my link below, you'll receive the following customed bonus. First bonus is, Bonus Library, Silver Membership Surefire Wealth, a product from Promote Lab which is a gateway to hundreds of ebooks, audio, video, and plugins. The second bonus is Blogging Advice, also a product from Promote Lab. It provides strategies to create a premium blog. The third is, a collection of previous product related to making money online and creating traffic online. 10 plus items, The Lost Code, The Secret Weapon, Launch Jacking Guide. The products are mainly about creating traffic to your online business. The fourth bonus is Ultimate Stock Photo Package, over 5,000 photos collection. The fifth bonus is, a library of, more than 4,000 collection of animated icon. Sixth, over 100 of transparent pings files, suitable for your video ads, social media, or web page. The seventh bonus is, the vendor bonuses, which will be delivered in the members area. Does Membervio stack up? Yes, based on the review, it meets the following criteria, make Membervio a great product. Ease of use. Great support team, cloud-based app, no hosting required. Newbie friendly. Simple process. Please like and comment below. If you think this product is worth for your money, buy from my link below. Thank you for taking the time to look at my Membervio product review. I'll see you in the next review.